Hello, we are
Sor
and Betty.
One sunny summer afternoon, Sor and Betty are setting up their ice cream cart.
It's so hot today. Perfect for selling ice cream.
Yes, let's get ready. We made different flavors of ice cream last night.
Look, the ice cream is still frozen solid in the container.
Last night, Sor and Betty observed the ice cream making process where the mix of ingredients in a form of liquid was refrigerated.
Freezing is a process when liquid turns into a solid when exposed to cold temperature.
The sun gets hotter as more kids line up for ice cream. Sor opens the cooler and the ice cream starts to soften.
Oh no! The ice cream is melting.
That's because the heat is making it turn back into a liquid. Melting happens when a solid ice turns into a liquid when exposed to heat.
Meanwhile, Sor drinks a cold juice and Betty notices the vapor coming from his glass.
Look at your drink, Sor. There's a steam coming out.
That happens when the liquid water turns into gas in hot water.
Oh, like how water boils into a steam when my mom cooks. Evaporation is a process when liquid turns into gas when exposed to heat.
Betty remembers the dry ice they used to keep some ice cream cold. They observe a piece of dry ice and fog-like smoke appears.
Look at this. The dry ice is not melting into liquid but turning straight into smoke.
That's called sublimation. It skips the liquid stage and turns into gas right away.
Wow, science is everywhere.
Yes, even in ice cream.
Sublimation is a process when some solids turn directly into gas without becoming liquid.
The friends successfully sell all the ice cream by the end of the day. They sit down enjoying their own cones while reflecting on what they learned. Science is all around us. Keep exploring and observing the changes in materials in your daily life.